Trekking moments.
Trekking moments.
Trekking moments.
Trekking moments.
Looking into the history of people and places.
Showcasing cultures of people and places.
Exploring the social life of people and places.
Revealing scenic sights from places that are worth a visit.
Will be captivating,
Formative.
And educational.
Hello, I'm Jack and welcome to Trekking Moments. I'm in Bristol and I'll be bringing you a spectacular view of the Avon Gorge and Avon River. So keep watching and enjoy the short video. Thank you. Bristol is a city with a population of nearly 500,000 people in southwest England. Situated between Somerset and Gloucestershire, it has been among the country's largest and most economically and culturally important cities for 8 centuries. The city has a mix of buildings from different eras. Bristol was a major port city for early voyages of exploration to the New World, of which the tidal Avon Gorge and River played a key role. So, I'll be showing you Avon Gorge. The Avon Gorge is 1.5 miles long gorge on the River Avon in Bristol, England. The gorge runs south to north through a limestone ridge 1.5 miles west of Bristol city centre and about 3 miles from the mouth of the river. The gorge forms the boundary between the unitary authorities of North Somerset and Bristol. With the boundary running along with the south bank, the gorge served as a defensive gateway to the city because of the major ports. The tidal wave of Avon River is the main source of water level for the floating harbour of Bristol. The harbour extends through the city centre and small boats and ferries runs commercially on it. Stroll through Bristol today and you will see a vibrant city, a natural gorge and a contemporary street renowned the world over. The beaming summer sun rays shine bright on the magnificent towers and the floating Bristol harbour at the centre of the city. Joggers and runners run around the harbour to catch some fresh breath. Bristol is full of history and it is a place to visit. I personally love the fact that Bristol is independent, edgy and unique. It has got its own vibe. Unlike other cities, Bristol combines history and culture with progressive mindset. It takes care of its environment, people, and for living a good life. From the independent boutiques to the bold tent pubs floating on the water. The colorful Bristol has something for everyone. There will be another interesting video on historical Bristol for our cherished followers. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful time and see you again.